BMW 5 Series G68 Saddle Crystal Removal Tutorial. First, remove the two T20 screws from its armrest. After removing the two armrest screws, take out the inner pocket of its armrest. After taking it out, unplug the cigarette lighter. Unplug the socket of the armrest pocket. There are two screws here. Remove the bolts from the saddle. After removing the two screws, push the saddle forward. You can use a pry bar to hold it in place. It tilts slightly forward here. You can type it out. After disassembling, remove the saddle. Unplug the plug at the back. After the saddle was removed, remove this outer casing. 4 screws were removed. After removing the screws, take out the outer frame. After removing the outer casing, remove the gear lever. Remove these 5 screws. 2 on each side. 1 in the middle. After removing the screws, use a pry bar. Pry gently. Pry up the bottom shell. It comes out easily by gently prying open the 4 corners. After coming out, remove the original car armrest box buttons. After removing the gear shift panel, remove the buttons from this armrest box. There is a rubber band on the back of this button. Remove the rubber band. After removing the rubber band, inside these 2 holes, it was hooked.
These are the 2 hooks.
Push it out by holding the hooks on both sides. Use crystal satellite. Replace the original frame. Reinstall the original buttons. Take it out directly and turn it downwards. Then press and hold it down. Then fasten the rubber band back. After the rubber band is fastened back, test it. Make sure there are no problems. After the buttons are installed, take out the product's adapter cable. This end is plugged into the cup holder lamp. Plug it first. After plugging the lamp, restore the frame. If you restore the frame first, the cable can't be plugged in. After plugging in the light socket, then put the original panel back in. The cable can come out from this position. Put the screws back in. After the gear shift panel is installed, take out the original frame and put it back. Tighten the screws. After the gear lever is installed, put the original frame back. Tighten the screws. After restoration, take out the product's wiring. This is the original cup holder light. Unplug the cup holder light. Connect the product socket to original cup light. After the convert is completed, there are 2 small clips in this position. Put them back. After the buckles are installed, restore the original plug. After recovery, check with power on. Check the lighting effects. If the lights are working properly, you can put the gear shift back on. Put it down first. Push back. It's stuck and pushed backward. Restore the screws. Just lock it back.